They say kindness makes the world softer, and on this day, I felt it the moment I walked in. This video isn't just a tutorial. Today, I'm taking you along with me, sharing a story from one of my jobs as a makeup artist. Think of it as a behind the scenes vlog, an experience I will never forget. From the very beginning, I was warmly welcomed by the client and her daughter. That kind of reception instantly puts you at ease. You don't feel like you are walking into a house to work. You feel like family stepping into another home. And honestly, that kind of atmosphere always makes the work flow better. Now, her daughter had a specific request. She said she wanted to wear makeup, but she didn't want to look like she was wearing makeup. That was always a fun challenge because it's not about less makeup, it's about creating balance. I wanted to give her something natural, soft, but still enough to enhance her features. So I went with a brown smoky eyes. Very subtle, very soft, nothing harsh. Then her lips, I chose a lipstick that doesn't even look like lipstick. It blended so naturally into her skin tone, almost like her lips were just perfect on their own. On her beautiful caramel skin, the entire look came alive. Elegant, neutral, and exactly what she wanted. Unfortunately, I couldn't capture the mother on video, but the look on her face was priceless. She was satisfied, her daughter was satisfied, and that was what matters the most at the end of every glam session. It's moments like this that remind me why I love this job. Makeup isn't just about colors and brushes. It's about listening, understanding, and then bringing someone's vision to life. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me grow and allows me to keep sharing more stories and glam experiences with you. To me, this wasn't just about a smoky eye and a natural lip. It was about kindness, trust, and connection. The warmth I received that day, the joy in their faces, and the satisfaction of delivering exactly what they wanted. That was what makes being a makeup artist so rewarding. After our session, she was absolutely thrilled with her look. Let's hear her share her thoughts about it.
So how much you like this one? I like it. It's so cute. And the brows? I love it. Thank you.
And here we have the final look. Soft, natural, and absolutely beautiful. Here she is with her mom, both glowing and happy with their glam. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.